Hi guys, it's GameDan25. I'm just doing a new unboxing of a new microwave what I purchased, or what I got now. Because the other one didn't work as nice as the other microwave, the old microwave, and there was complications, so I had to change that one and then get a other microwave. So this is now the new Samsung microwave. There's no codes to it or anything, but it is on promotion by certain places. I won't name the places, but yeah. So this will be the unboxing, and there will be a second part of the microwave. So if you do want to purchase a Samsung microwave like this, then you can find out if your local shops have it, or if they sell it in your country or so. So there's quite a few stuff to it, but I'll see if it has all that features, and I'll basically show everything from the microwave, and then you guys can decide if you want to have that microwave, or if you just want to get use that, well, if you just want to get use that kind of microwave. Yeah, so enough of me talking about the microwave. I'll show you. Okay, this is the microwave. Samsung. It looks good. You guys can just pause the video to see all the information. So I'll zoom in for you guys. This is the one side of the box. I think the other side is the same, and the other side will have like some codes and so on. So you can do quite a lot of stuff with the microwave. Like, as you can see, that is where the codes is and so on. So I have opened the box just to see if the glass um, of it is fine. So it's basically the same, and on the other side of the box there's also the same. So as you can see, same stuff, just a little bit of more things to it. The top part of the box, or should I excuse the noises because somehow there's water running somewhere, but yeah. So basically, when you take the plastic or the sellotape of it off, you immediately open the box, and then you'll find this glass. You put the glass somewhere safe where it won't break, because you must actually take it out and then place it on a safe place, and then yeah. So the boxing of this is kind of cheap cardboard what they use. It's very soft, or it could be quality, but it's in some plastic. You guys can see the back part of it, because you can see that. And so I'll just take the box, the microwave out. I got this grayish color looking one. It looks nice with certain things, and if you're matching up your kitchen with certain colors and so on, it can stand out very much. There's a muddy effect. I'll show you guys the muddy effect to it, and then you guys can see for yourself. I'll just need to do. Okay, as you can see, it has a muddy effect. I must still take off this plastic. Oh, I know you guys like that sound, so let me show you. Oh, before I do that, as you can see, It has a popcorn feature, potato feature, and all those good stuff. That's the red, what you see there. So that's obviously the button. Microwave on that side. I think that's on the right hand side. There's 10-year warranty to the microwave. It's a very nice color to it. Let me show you the back part. So the back part of it, it looks like this. I'm just covering up the warranty stuff to it. Here's this back part. It comes out quite far. If you guys look at it, it comes out quite far from the microwave. So it's like half my finger size, and so this part comes out quite far, but it's for like if you have big plates, or if you're having huge kind of bowls or so. So let me just take off this thing. It's very difficult doing a video with one hand keeping. Ooh. Now you guys like that sound. So as you can see this section of me, but yeah, this is the Murray effect. As you can see, there's a Murray effect. There's 10-year warranty on the microwave. And if I press this button, it should open. So that goes there. And the door, as you can see, this door is quite huge. Like, you open, it's quite huge. So they tell you all the stuff that you can use for the different settings. You guys can just pause the video and then you can see the stuff. So, and there's nothing after that. There's some sticker thing that's there. One more time. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm keeping the phone as steady as possible. So one more time. Okay, so basically a normal size plate what can go inside here. Ooh, camera focus. Okay, you get your manual what's inside the microwave and the rolling pin which moves around. Let me get a torch. Oh, my torch is full. But if I open the thing a little bit more, as you can see, it has such a bluey effect inside the microwave. That is the special microwave coating thing with that. And apparently 10 years warranty for this inside of this microwave. And if you guys purchase it, you guys can see on the microwave there will be a thing there. This is probably the light. That is probably the shield thing. Let's see if I can. That is for the sparky stuff, not to like spark and so on. And obviously this section is where the light and the fan is of the thing. So basically there's also ventilation. It's very huge. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, give it a like or comment if you guys have this microwave. If you do have this microwave and you want to know more about the thing, you can just send me a comment and I'll try and comment back or reply to you guys and so on. And there is time. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a time. Like a nice shiny finish to the thing. So if you guys need to like have some time, blur out. And there's just like some plastic thing what I need to peel off, so you guys can see. And button is very like easy to use, so if you don't like that hard buttons what you have to like really give a feel to when you're pushing the button, this is very easy. And again, this has a mirror effect, so you can use it as a mirror if you want to, and it doesn't get that dirty, and you keep it clean always. Then you can use it as a quick mirror just to check if you look neat. Put that there and just so this thing is blowing out. Okay, so yeah, this is the Samsung microwave. Hopefully you guys enjoy this small introduction of the microwave, and I think that is the number of the microwave. I don't know, but yeah, like and subscribe if this video did help you decide to buy this microwave and you guys kind of saw everything of this microwave and you enjoyed seeing this. Give me a like, comment. If you have any problems with the microwave, let me know, so other people can also read it, to know if there is other kind of problems. I'll also tell you guys if this has very sharp edges. I know what's that? That's probably some stuff that must burn away. Yeah, it's the stuff that must burn away. And yeah, like and subscribe. Don't let anyone bring you down. Always try and stay positive. And yeah, cheers guys.